Hello, I'm Kavita Singh. Today's our topic is immunity. That is from the chapter Health and Human Health and Diseases from 12th NCERT book. So immunity, I think we are quite aware with the term immunity. It is the general ability of the host, or we can say that the general ability of the every human beings to defend against the disease and infection. So we can say that it is the defending ability or defending potential or defending potential of human beings. Or so if we go to the definition of the immunity from these two words, the immunity is the general ability, the immunity is the general ability of host to resist against diseases and infections. As when we study about the digestion, we need a system to cover it. As like if we need to study the immunity, we need a system to give this ability, and that system that concerned with the immunity is the immune system. The system that concerned with the immunity is the immune system, and in general that branch of science that deals with the immune system, immunity and other defending organ and cells involved in the immunity is known as the immunology. So this was a little intro about the term immunity only. Okay, I think from class 8th we are used to study about the microbes, pathogens and about the antigens. So I would like to go with a slight intro of these things. Anything like, first of all, the antigens, anything that is detected as the foreign by the body is known as the antigen. Okay, detected as the foreign for the body, okay, is known as the antigen. It is denoted as the capital A and G. And if the antigen is able to cause the disease, then it is known as the pathogen. Okay, I think we all had learned about this in our class 8th. Is known as the pathogen, and the ability of the pathogen to cause the disease is known as the pathogenicity. Pathogenicity. Okay, so it was little about the antigen, pathogen and pathogenicity. Okay, so let's go to the next term, and that is the immune response. Okay, so we were on the immunity, now it's immune response. What is this immune response? Okay, so now we are aware with what is antigen, what is pathogen, what is immunity. Now what is immune response? Okay, the response that performed by, okay, the response that it performed by our immune system is known as the immune response against the antigen or the pathogen that are able to cause the diseases. So we can say that the immune system is the ability of destruction of the foreign particles or antigen or pathogens by our immune system is known as the immune response. So the destruction of the pathogens, okay, we can say that the antigens with the ability of pathogenicity or not or not. The destruction of the antigen with the ability of pathogenicity or not by our immune system is known as the immune response. By our immune system is known as the immune response. Okay, so up to here we were only on the slight intro of the topic. Let's go in the depth of the topic. Okay, so to give that much of the ability to protect ourselves from the diseases, we need a system, as I said earlier, and that system comprises two main actually three main lines of defenses. I'm going to write it first, and these are immunity. Immunity is divided into two parts. First we will read about the types of the immunity, then we will jump into the organ and system involved in it. The topics will go through as they are given in the book. Immunity, okay, so it is of two types, and these two types are innate immunity. First one is the innate immunity. Okay, second one is the adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity. Okay, as a student we can guess something by these words like innate and adaptive. What is the meaning of innate? That is present in us from the birth. Okay, present from birth. Okay, and second is important thing about the innate immunity is it is non-specific type of immunity. Non-specific type of I'm going to tell you what is non-specific, meaning of the non-specific. What is a non-specific type of immunity? Immunity. Okay, so to know the non-specific type of immunity, first you need to know that what systems are involved to protect us in innate immunity. These are first of all